The following message is transmitted at the request of the Las Vegas Police Department. At 12:29 p.m., the police department saw 4 alive Disney Goofy dolls walking on the streets of Las Vegas. The descriptions of them have been quickly found. One of them is wearing a black tuxedo with green striped pants and a black and green top hat. Another one is wearing a Santa suit, and it is confirmed to be for the 1992 Thanksgiving Day Parade, where it was Macy's Holiday Ambassador of that year. And the third and fourth dolls are just regular Goofy dolls. All 4 of the dolls are aggressive, as the Halloween one was seen with a knife, the Santa one was seen with a Glock, and the third one was seen with a bomb. But the fourth one? Nah, he's insane. He has syringes all around him that make him go crazy. And by the way, he was also seen tearing somebody's head off. So yeah, this is a very dangerous situation and should not be ignored. If one of the Goofy dolls break into your home, try your best to get out of the house or try to defend yourself with a firearm. The police are trying their best to apprehend the Goofy dolls, but all you can do is just monitor media outlets for updates.
Ha, Goofy, that's not how you call a cow. To call a cow, you need to sound like a cow. What sound does a cow make? Moo!
Hello there, viewer. I have a riddle for you. What is stronger than the human heart? What shatters over and over, and without any reason, it still lives. Me.
Moo! Right.
Well, I can do that.